Welcome to The Wealth Effect. Today we are uncovering the hidden forces that shape your financial future. Most people work hard for money, but true wealth comes from making your money work hard for you. Let's talk about the first major mistake beginners make: waiting for the perfect moment to start. There is no perfect economy, and there is no perfect salary. The best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Compound interest is a powerful tool, but it requires time to do its magic. Even a small amount saved consistently can grow into a massive fund over 20 or 30 years. Think about it this way. If you invest $100 a month with an average annual return of 10%, in 30 years you won't just have $36,000, you will have over $200,000. That is the true power of time. Mistake number 2, investing money you cannot afford to lose. Never put your rent or food budget into the stock market. Only invest money that is left over after your essential expenses, or money you were going to waste anyway. Real investing requires patience, and you cannot be patient if you are stressed about paying your bills next week. Peace of mind is priceless. Before putting a single dollar into any stock or asset, make sure you have an emergency fund. This fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. It acts as a financial shield so that if life hits you with an unexpected event, you won't be forced to sell your investments at a loss just to survive. Mistake number 3, lacking consistency. Investing once and forgetting about it won't do much. The true wealth effect happens when you make it a rule to set aside a little bit of money consistently, every week or every month, no matter what. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Over time, this lowers your average cost per share and takes the emotion completely out of the equation. You stop worrying about whether the market is up or down because you know that consistency is your greatest superpower. Mistake number 4, following the hype and chasing quick riches. The internet is full of people promising you will get rich overnight with the next hot cryptocurrency or a secret stock tip. This is not investing, this is gambling. True wealth building is boring, slow, and methodical. It is about buying high-quality assets and holding them for the long term. When you see everyone on social media talking about a specific asset, it is usually already too late to buy. Do your own research, understand what you are putting your money into, and never invest in something just because of FOMO, the fear of missing out. Mistake number 5, neglecting your greatest asset, which is yourself. In the beginning stages of your financial journey, your ability to earn more income will always beat your investment returns. If you only have $500 to your name, a 10% return only gives you $50. But if you invest that money into learning a new high-value skill, reading books, or taking a specialized course, you can increase your earning capacity by thousands of dollars per month. The more value you can provide to the market, the more money you will make, and the more capital you will have available to invest and compound over time. At the end of the day, the difference between people who hit their financial goals and those who don't isn't how much money they start with. It's that the first group actually took action and stayed disciplined. Don't wait for the perfect salary or the perfect economy. Start today with whatever you have, even if it's small. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop the comment, "I am ready to invest," down below so I know who's stepping up their game today. This is The Wealth Effect. See you in the next video to keep growing your wealth. Take care, and let's get after it.